Someone cruelly tied this donkey to the tracks, condemning it to certain death. But fate put the dog in its path. Realizing the urgency of the situation, the dog ran to fetch its owner so she could intervene. The sound of the train can already be heard. It's a race against time. She has to cut the metal wires as quickly as possible while the locomotive rushes toward them. Hurry! That was close. Thanks to this dog's intelligence, the donkey is now safe and being pampered. If you think this dog is a real hero, like the video and subscribe.